Hi, my name is Cindy Castillo with Castillo Law. I'd like to talk to you about what does SB1070 mean to you? Arizona has become a stop and identify state. Now, that means that if a peace officer, any type of law enforcement officer, contacts you and has a legal reason in order to contact you and detain you, and if he asks for your ID or your identity, you must provide him with your full and truthful name. Now, what does it mean to be legally stopped or legally detained? In the state of Arizona, what that means is the officer must be able to articulate with reasonable suspicion that he has a lawful reason to contact you. Does the officer believe that you are involved in any criminal activity, or is it just a hunch or some type of guess that you might be involved in criminal activity? That is the important distinction between whether or not you have to provide your name or if you can simply walk away. Now, if an officer contacts you and he does not have reasonable suspicion to contact you, ask the officer whether or not you are free to leave. If the officer says you're free to leave, simply walk away. If the officer says that you are not free to leave, then it's important to stop and comply with the officer's request. Provide him your full and truthful name, but you are not compelled to provide any additional information to the officer. If the officer in fact had a reasonable suspicion to stop you and you failed to provide your name and a full name, then it is a Class 2 misdemeanor in the state of Arizona. If you've been contacted by a law enforcement officer and you believe that the officer did not have reasonable suspicion to stop you, or if you think that the officer went too far, call me. I offer free consultations.